Alright, so let's answer this problem. What is the radius of the circle with the general equation x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y plus 9 equals 0? So the thing that we need to do here is we need to transform this one into the standard form. Okay, so just to let you know and to remind you about the standard form, that's x minus h square plus y minus k square equals r square. So once we do that, we will be able to find the radius. Okay, so the first step is to move this 9 here on the right side. Okay, and as we do that, what I'm going to do is I will move this negative 6x beside this x square, and at the same time I will move the y square, and then the 8y, we'll put those two together. Okay, so now we have x square minus 6x plus y square plus 8y equals negative 9. Okay, so again, we move that 9 to the right side of the equation, so that will be negative 9. Okay, so minus sign on both sides, and then we put that negative 6x beside the x square and 8y beside the y square. So here what we will be doing is completing the square for this two. Okay, so in order for us to do that, what I'm going to do is this: x squared minus 6x plus what's going to be that number to complete that square, and then for the y, we have y squared plus 8y plus, okay, I'll put a blank there, equals negative 9. And of course, plus whatever we add here on the left, we add that on the right side, plus for the y expressions. Okay, so to find the c there, our reference is that negative 6. So which means our c for this is negative 6 over 2 square. Is it always over 2? Yes. Okay, so negative 6 over 2 is negative 3 square is equal to 9. So this is 9. That means we will also put 9 on the right side. Okay, so for this one, we have c equals 8 over 2 square. 8 over 2 is 4 square. That would be 16. So this is 16, and that means this is also 16. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we will factor this. So that x squared minus 6x plus 9, that's a perfect square, perfect trinomial square. And the equivalent of that is x minus 3 square. Square root of 9 is 3. And then the middle term is negative. That's why we have a minus. Okay. And then plus y plus 4 square. Square root of 16 is 4. That's a plus 4 because we have a plus 8 in the middle. Okay. And then equals, so all we need to do is to combine this. We have a negative 9 and a positive 9. We cancel those two out. That leaves us 16. And that 16 can be expressed as 4 square, which means that our r is equal to 4. Okay. So let me just rewrite this again. X minus 3 square plus y plus 4 square. So that's our r. R is equal to 4.